Today I am an inquisitor. My faith in the Constitution is whole, and I am not going to sit here and be an idle spectator to the diminution of the Constitution. We know the nature of impeachment. It is chiefly designed for the President and his high ministers to somehow be called into account. The framers confided in the Congress the power, if need be, to remove the President in order to strike a delicate balance between a President swollen with power and grown tyrannical and preservation of the independence of the executive. Because the task we have before us is a big one. I would like to juxtapose a few of the impeachment criteria with some of the actions the President has engaged in. If the President be connected in any suspicious manner with any person and there be grounds to believe that he will shelter him, he may be impeached. We know that the President met with Henry Peterson 27 times to discuss matters related to Watergate, and immediately thereafter met with the very persons who were implicated. Impeachment is intended for occasional and extraordinary cases where a superior power acting for the whole people is put into operation to protect their rights and rescue their liberties from violations. We know about the break-in of the psychiatrist's office. Those are impeachable who behave amiss or betray their public trust. The President has made public announcements and assertions bearing on the Watergate case, which the evidence will show he knew to be false. A President is impeachable if he attempts to subvert the Constitution. The President has counseled his aides to commit perjury, willfully disregard the secrecy of grand jury proceedings, attempt to compromise a federal judge. If the impeachment provision in the Constitution of the United States will not reach the offenses charged here, then perhaps that 18th century Constitution should be abandoned to a 20th century paper shredder. Has the President committed offenses and planned and directed and acquiesced in a course of conduct which the Constitution will not tolerate? That's the question. We should now forthwith proceed to answer the question. It is reason and not passion which must guide our deliberations.